Okay. Now we have to learn about partial differentiation of composite function. Earlier we saw that, or we understand about the formula on the basis of a chain rule. But here we have to learn about the partial differentiation of a composite function. Now, what is a partial differentiation of a composite function? So I'm just writing here, that is z is equal to, first I'm writing for two variables, so similar the concept will be for three variables. एक चीज आप अच्छी तरह से अंडरस्टैंडिंग देखोगे तो इनमें डिफरेंस खाली यही पाओगे, फॉर थ्री वेरिएबल्स ही मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे लिखूंगा इंस्टेड ऑफ टू वेरिएबल्स, बिकॉज let w is equal to f of x, y and z. W is equal to f of x, y and z possess a continuous first order differential or first order partial differential or derivative, and let and x is equal to g1 of u comma v, comma y is equal to g2 of u comma v, and z is equal to g1, g2, g3 of u comma v possess a continuous first order partial derivative. Then the derivative, or then the partial derivative of that respective function will becomes, अब अच्छी तरह से यहाँ पे ध्यान देना, यहाँ पे u इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड था, एक्स वाई जेड तीनों जो टर्म्स थे उसके वेरिएबल्स जो थे वो t ही थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे w is a function of x, y and z, and here x is a function of u comma v, similarly y is a function of u comma v, z is also a function of u comma v. So we have to apply the derivative or partial derivative, either dy by dt क्यों था, because u with respect to t हम लोग कैलकुलेट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे t वेरिएबल था, लेकिन यहाँ पे देखोगे u और v दो वेरिएबल है, तो जो w है उसको पार्शियली डेरिवेटिव होगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u होगा एंड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v होगा. सो डो w अपॉन डो u which is equal to dou w by dou u, which is equal to dou w by dou x into x वाले टर्म में विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u डिफरेंशिएट करोगे dou x by dou u प्लस dou w by dou y, y वाले पार्ट में विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u करोगे तो इंटू dou y by dou u प्लस dou w by dou z into dou z by dou u. ये फर्स्ट हो गया हमारा. सिमिलरली u का विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u v भी कैलकुलेट करना है. सो dou w by dou v which is equal to dou w by dou x into dou x by dou v plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou v plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou v. So this is our partial derivative, basically partial derivative with respect to u as well as with respect to v. So hope the things are clear, the formula is clear to everyone. इसलिए मैंने दोनों चीजें साथ में आपके लिखी हैं, जो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखा था, dou u by dou t and this is dou w by dou u, इधर with respect to u and with respect to v दोनों क्यों हो रहा है, because x, y and z all three functions are depend on both the variables u and v. So while differentiating this part is the composite function, W is a function of x, y, and z, where x, y, and z are the function of u and v variables. So while differentiating W with respect to u and with respect to v, we have to differentiate all the functions partially. So हर एक term यहाँ पे partially differentiate होगा. So just see to it that properly, and if anyone having any doubt regarding that, so if no doubt, so we'll proceeding with the numerical. Now I'm just telling the two variables. Suppose if there is a two variables like w is equal to f of x y, यहाँ पे भी क्या आएगा x g1 of u v, y आएगा g2 of u v. ये पार्ट आपका नहीं रहेगा. तो तीनों में जो दोनों फॉर्मूला आपके जनरेट होंगे, उसमें से खाली ये वाले जो लास्ट वाले टर्म्स है, डो w बाय डो z एंड डो w बाय डो z बाय डो u एंड डो w बाय डो z बाय डो v, ये टर्म्स खाली एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. रेस्ट ऑल द टर्म्स विल बी केप्ट एज इट इज. So hope the things are clear to everyone for two variables and for three variables. So everyone can understood about this concept, or I can show this part very easily with the structure of this part for two variables. If you see, w is a function of, is a mean function, we can say that w is so x then y z x y z, then u and v. Now we can see this part. So this is basically w is a function of x, y, and z. This is dependent variable. We can say that dependent variable. Dependent variable. This terms will be known as a x, y, and z. This is basically known as a
हेलो
intermediate.
सर, आपका वॉइस बहुत स्लो आ रहा है।
Intermediate variable. And last variable is known as a independent variable. So dependent variable, intermediate variables, and independent variables. So remember these things for better understanding. This is the structure of a partial derivative of a composite function. Please remember these things.
सर हेलो सर।
यस, बोलो बोलो, क्या हुआ?
सर फ्री वेरिएबल का फॉर्मूला बस एक बार और बता दीजिए ना, क्लियर करने के लिए।
विच फॉर्मूला?
सर फ्री वेरिएबल जो अभी आपने बताया। सर थ्री थ्री वेरिएबल डिफरेंशिएशन वाला फॉर्मूला, डब्ल्यू डब्ल्यू वाला।
वेट वेट, this is a formula for w, or we can say that is a partial derivative of a composite function. W is a function of x, y, and z variable, where x, y, and z The three variables is a function of u and v variables. So while differentiating the function with the composite, तो w को भी with respect to u and with respect to v हमको differentiate करना है. So while differentiating dou w by dou u, which is equal to 1 by 1, पहले with respect to u differentiate करोगे. So dou w by dou u. Then we have to differentiate this w. So dou w by dou x. Then x we have to differentiate with respect to u. So dou x by dou u. Similarly, dou w by dou y. Then y we have to differentiate with respect to u as it is. Then dou w differentiating with respect to z as it is. Then z differentiating with respect to u. So this is the first chain. Similarly, we have to differentiate dou w with respect to v. So we will get the second chain. So dou w differentiating with respect to v is equal to dou w by dou x. Then x वाला पार्ट को आप डिफरेंशिएट करोगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v. सिमिलरली प्लस dou w by dou y. then y वाले पार्ट को डिफरेंशिएट करोगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v प्लस dou w by dou z. then z वाले पार्ट को आप डिफरेंशिएट करोगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू, and this will get the second chain rule or second chain function of a partial differentiation of a composite function. This two formula we required for solving the problems. Now moving ahead with the numerical of this part. फॉर्मूला इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो फॉर्मूला पहले लिखो, 1 मार्क्स आपको मिल जाएगा फॉर्मूले के लिए भी. Now the first problem. If z is equal to f of x comma y, where x is equal to e raised to u plus e raised to minus v, and y e raised to minus u minus e raised to v, prove that dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v, which is equal to x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y. Now we have to solve this problem. So the solution will be whatever the condition is given, we have to differentiate the function step by step. Now if you see, this is for two variable. So I'm first of all I'm going to write the formula for two variables. So dou z by dou u, which is equal to dou z by dou u is equal to dou z by dou x into dou x by dou u plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou u. Similarly, the second chain function will be dou z by dou v, which is equal to dou z by dou x into dou x by dou v plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou v. So we got both the formula and we have to apply the same concept here one by one. It's very simple problem. you can see, so dou z by dou u, which is equal to, one by one we have to apply here, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou x, so kept as it is dou z by dou x into dou x by dou u. Differentiating this part with respect to x means this part will be 0, you will getting only e raised to u, derivative of exponential, then plus dou z by dou y as it is into differentiating y with respect to u. So this part will be 0 and e raised to minus u will becomes e raised to minus u into minus 1 because of this minus sign. So this is our dou z by dou u. Similarly, we can take the derivative of this part. So dou z by dou v, which is equal to dou z by dou v, which is equal to dou z by dou x into dou x by dou v. So you will getting minus or e raised to minus v as it is into minus 1 plus dou z by dou y into derivative of this part with respect to v. So you will getting minus of e raised to v. So minus of e raised to v will becomes as it is minus of e raised to v only and into derivative of this part. So you will getting 1 only. So kept as it is. So now derivative is clear. Now subtract because if you see the in a proof, dou z by dou u minus dou v. So I'm just writing by subtraction, by subtraction you will getting dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v, which is equal to, so we have to write this part kept as, so dou z by dou x into e raised to u minus of this part dou z by dou y into e raised to minus u. This is my first part, taking minus sign because this is subtraction, minus substituting the value of this part dou z by dou v. So see, this is minus sign, so minus dou z by dou x into e raised to minus v, then this is again minus dou z by dou y into e raised to v. So we just apply this subtraction concept here. Now if we see this part dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v kept as it. Now to what we can take as a common factor, see this is dou z by dou x, this is again dou z by dou x, and this is minus minus kept as it is plus. So I can take this part as a common factor here. So while taking dou z by dou x as a common factor, remaining terms will be what? E raised to u plus e raised to minus of v. Just see properly, dou z by dou x minus into minus will be plus, minus into minus will be plus. तो ये पूरा टर्म आपका प्लस हो जाएगा. dou z by dou x हमने कॉमन ले लिया. Similarly, you will see what again we can take as a common factor. Then I can take minus. अगर मैं dou z by dou y common लेता हूँ, minus while taking minus dou z by dou y common मैंने ले लिया, तो मेरे लिए यहाँ पे क्या टर्म बचेगा? प्लस. ये मेरा टर्म आपके लिए बाय डिफॉल्ट प्लस हो जाएगा, e raised to minus u plus. Now just see properly. माइनस इंटू माइनस दिस विल प्लस, मैंने कॉमन क्या लिया है, माइनस डो जेड बाय डो वाई, तो माइनस की वजह से मेरा ये जो टर्म है ये माइनस होगा, सो माइनस ई रेस टू वी। अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करके देखूं इस पार्ट को, तो माइनस डो जेड बाय डो वाई इंटू ई रेस टू माइनस यू प्रेजेंट हियर, माइनस डो जेड बाय डो यू इंटू माइनस ई रेस टू वी, तो प्लस हो जाएगा माइनस इंटू माइनस, तो वो भी आपके यहाँ पे प्लस प्रेजेंट है. सो we taken a proper common factor. Now if you will see in a problem, x is equal to e raised to u plus e raised to minus v, and y is equal to e raised to minus u minus of e raised to v. So we have to just put x and we will getting the exact proof whatever in a question, whatever the things are asked in a question. So dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v is equal to x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y, and this is a required proof. Now just see the problem, and if any doubt is there, so just ask about the problem or the confusions whatever you have for the problems. Waiting for 1 minute. Okay, now proceeding with the next problem. Second problem. If u is equal to f of x minus y upon xy, comma
सर
z
आपका आवाज
minus x.
बहुत लो आ रहा है.
Now fine. So if u is equal to f of x minus y upon xy, comma z minus x by zx, then we have to prove that x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square into dou u by dou z is equal to 0. Now, if you will see the problem clearly, then u is a function of x and y, but the remaining term, what are the function of x and y? Just like the formula में क्या था? W is a function of x, y, z, where x is equal to g1 of u comma v, y is equal to g2 of u comma v. Similarly, z is equal to g3 of u v. यहाँ पे ऐसा टर्म्स नहीं दिया गया. इसका मतलब क्या कहा गया है? We have to take proper substitution here. We have to take proper substitution. So according to this, I'm just going to take this substitution properly. Solving the problem or solution of this problem. So
Sir, your
let
voice breaking.
R is equal to x minus y upon xy comma s is z minus x upon zx. देन u इज इक्वल टू हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? देखो अच्छी तरह से, r को मैंने क्या कंसीडर किया है? x माइनस वाई अपॉन एक्स वाई, एंड s इक्वल टू आई एम कंसिडरिंग z माइनस x अपॉन zx. Then this part will becomes what? Then is equal to f of r comma s. f of r comma s, इसके जगह पे r और s हो गया. Now I can perform clearly here easily this part. Now I'm differentiating this part or writing the formula for this part. So dou u by dou x, which is equal to dou u by dou x, which is equal to plus dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. Similarly, dou u y, which is equal to dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. One more formula we have to write here. Dou u by dou z, which is equal to dou u by dou r into dou r by dou z plus dou s into dou s by dou. Now we have to differentiate the function properly. So one by one I have to differentiate this part. Dou u by dou x is equal to और थोड़ा सा उससे बेहतर मैं यहाँ पे साइड में ना पहले हम r और इसको इस पार्ट को सेपरेट कर लेते हैं. Now r is equal to what? Clearly given. R is equal to x minus y upon x. So while separating this part, x get cancelled. So you will getting 1 by y minus 1 by x. सिमिलरली अगर s को भी हम सेपरेट यहाँ पे करेंगे प्रॉपरली, s इज इक्वल टू, तो z अपॉन z, z गेट कैंसल, सो 1 बाय x minus x upon zx, so you will getting x get cancel 1 by z. So hope the things are clear. What is a dou r by dou x and what is a dou r by dou y, what will be the dou r by dou z, etc, etc. Similarly for dou s by dou x, as already we saw, that is derivative of 1 by x with respect to x will become minus 1 by x square. Into same concept, we can apply this term here. So now moving ahead with here, the dou u by dou x, which is equal to, so dou u by dou r kept as it is, dou u by dou r kept as it is, into dou r x. इस टर्म में हम लोग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू r डिफरेंशिएशन फाइंड आउट करने जा रहे हैं. So differentiating this part with respect to r, sorry, differentiating r with respect to x, ये part पूरा जीरो हो जाएगा, and derivative of this term with respect to x, you will getting minus 1 by x square. Already the term minus is here, so I can write this is 1 by x square directly, plus dou u by dou s as it is, and derivative of this part with respect to x. So अभी देखा minus 1 by x का minus 1 by x square होता है, ये भी term same होगा. You should write that is 1 minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. So this is my equation number 1. I'm just giving equation number 1. Similarly, dou u by dou y, which is equal to dou u by dou r kept as it is, into r का, r वाले फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएट करना है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y. So just see that is with respect to y. So this part is treated as a constant, so this is 0. So 1 by y का differentiation will becomes minus 1 by y square, plus dou u by dou s, and derivative of s with respect to y. तो यहाँ पे ना y प्रेजेंट नहीं है, सिर्फ x और y है, so we have to write as it is 0. फॉर्मूला आपके सामने लिखा है, उसमें सिर्फ वैल्यू रखते जा रहे हैं डिफरेंशिएट करके. Now the next will becomes, this is equation number 2, dou u by dou z, which is equal to, so dou u by dou r as it is, derivative of with respect to z, so absence of z variable, so this term is treated as a 0, plus dou u by dou s, and derivative of this part with respect to z, so 1 by x is treated as a constant, or x variable treated as a constant. Derivative of 1 by z will becomes minus 1 by z square, so you will getting 1 by z square because minus sign already present here. So this is my equation number 3. Equation. Now what we have to prove here, that is we have to prove clearly, अगर आप अच्छी तरह से देखोगे यहाँ पे, so we have to prove equal to 0 means x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z, तीनों को ऐड करना है, तो रिजल्ट हमको क्या आना चाहिए, 0 आना चाहिए. इसका मतलब फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को आपको एक्स स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, सेकेंड इक्वेशन को आपको वाई स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, थर्ड इक्वेशन को आपको जेड स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग हियर, दैट इज multiply by multiply equation 1 with x square comma equation 2 with y square and equation 3 with z square and adding, we get, so we have to apply here, that is x square. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक साथ ऐड करूंगा यहाँ पे x square into dou u by dou x plus y square into dou u by dou y plus z square into dou u by dou z is equal to, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को मैं एक साथ ऐड किया हूं, अब यहाँ पे भी एक्स स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, देखो अच्छी तरह से, एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डो यू, या आप डायरेक्ट करने से बेहतर एक स्टेप दो आप, डो यू बाय डो आर इंटू 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस डो यू बाय डो एस इंटू -1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म जिसको सिर्फ एक्स स्क्वायर से आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया है, प्लस y square into the second term dou u by dou r into -1 by y square. ये पार्ट तो 0 है, तो दिस पार्ट will be eliminated directly, plus z square into dou u by dou r dou s. So this part we have to 1 by z square as it is. So this is our multiply with x square, y square and z square with respective equations, and adding the left hand side and right hand side. So by adding these terms, we'll getting what you just see, that x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z, which is equal to, this x square get cancelled. Similarly, this x square and x square get cancelled. So remaining will becomes dou u by dou r minus of also minus dou u by dou s. Y square get cancelled. So remaining will becomes minus dou u by dou r. Similarly, z square get cancelled. So remaining will becomes plus dou u by dou s. Then after simplifying this parts, you will getting x square into dou u by dou x plus y square into dou u by dou y plus z square into dou u by dou z equal to 0, because this plus dou u by dou r is cancelled with this negative part. So this cancel with this part and this cancel with this parts, and at the end you will getting the result 0. So this is again the second problem on the basis of partial differentiation or partial derivative on composite function. Earlier what we did in a problem, the problem was a very simple. If u is equal to f of x minus y by xy comma z minus x by zx, सो फर्स्ट वी कंक्लूड, अब आपके ऊपर है, आर से कंपेयर इक्वेट करो, एस से करो या एल से करो, एम से करो, इट्स अप टू यू. Whatever you like, you can check any variable or you can set any variable. So it's up to you. So first we selected the variable r, function r is equal to x minus y by x and s is equal to z minus x by z. Then we applied the composite rule in this term. So u differentiating to y, x and z और x, y, z. So u को with respect to हमने पहले क्या किया है, x को differentiate करना है, तो u पहले with respect to r हो जाएगा, फिर ये r जो है with respect to x होगा, प्लस u with respect to s होगा, फिर ये s जो है with respect to x हो जाएगा. Similarly then dou u by dou y is equal to u with respect to x, u with respect to r differentiate होगा, into फिर r with respect to y differentiate हो जाएगा, प्लस u with respect to s differentiation, then s differentiating with respect to y. Similarly, the last formula will be differentiating dou u by dou z is equal to differentiating of u with respect to r, then differentiating r with respect to z, जो टर्म प्रेजेंट नहीं है, जीरो आता है रिजल्ट, देन प्लस डिफरेंशिएटिंग u with respect to s into डिफरेंशिएटिंग s with respect to z, और ऐसे करके हमने फॉर्मूला लिखा. फॉर्मूला करने के बाद यहाँ पे जो r और s है उसको हमने प्रॉपरली अरेंज करके डेरिवेटिव किया है और इससे हमको तीन इक्वेशन मिला है. यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर से हमने क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया, क्योंकि हमको प्रॉब्लम में जो प्रूफ वाला पार्ट है उसमें हमको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्लियरली मेंशन है. So for making or creating a left hand side, we should multiply equation number 1 with x square, similarly equation number 2 with y square, similarly equation number 3 with z square. After multiplying x square, y square, z square, and we adding the terms, after adding the terms we will get the exact result or exact proof. So by multiplying with x square with equation number 1, y square with equation number 2, and z square with equation number 3, and adding the terms we will get this part clearly. So after simplifying the terms you will see that is the left hand side is equal to 0, or x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z is equal to 0. Hope the sum is clear to everyone. If anyone having any doubts regarding these two numericals, so please let me know. I will share the attendance link. So just fill it in the attendance. You should ask your doubts. I shared the attendance link, so please fill it.